good morning. Right, today is all about Ziploc bags, okay? So you will have all seen them before. I am trying to use things that are already at home. So they're the bags that are plastic and they have a Ziploc top, okay? Now, if you don't have these at home, they are so cheap to buy. I bought these ones on Amazon a while ago and I have not used the little ones. And also I have got a bigger one because we're going to do 2 activities today. And these are all sensory activities, okay? So whether you're 2 or 12, you will enjoy making this and you will enjoy playing with this. So the first one we're going to do is we're going to make a flower. A sensory flower, okay? So I have chosen the middle of my my flower is going to be this big, so I've just used something in the kitchen. You could make it bigger and it could be like a plate, but I'm just doing this so I can show you. And you'll need 2 circles. Now, everything I make, you can sort of adapt at home because you'll have different things at your house than what I do. I am using cardboard from a cardboard box that came, but you don't have to use cardboard. You could use just plain card or even paper. It's just about using what you've got at home. Okay, so I have now got 2 circles. Now one circle I'm going to use some tin foil on because I love that you have like a reflective surface. And you're just going to completely cover one of your circles with it. There we go. So now I've got a shiny one and just a normal plain circle, and then we're going to put those to the side. So next up, I've been to collect quite a few things from around the house. So I've got some pasta and some rice, some buttons, some paint, some glitter, and then I got to go outside, so I have got some really crunchy leaves and some green leaves as well. And I also had some Play-Doh. And I'm just going to fill some of these little Ziploc bags, or big Ziploc bags, whatever you've got, with some of these things. Okay, so that took me a while, and it will take you a while trying to find all these things and then put them all in the bags. Now, like I said, I'm using small ones because this is what I have, but you might have some bigger ones like this and you could put a few things in. You don't have to put loads in. I'm going to use one of my circles and then I'm going to place and stick all of my little bags. Again, yours will look very different to mine. because we're trying to use whatever we've got in our house, okay? Okay, so we're at the stage now where I have sellotaped all the way around my circle, and it means that these are completely sealed and that they won't open. Okay, so whatever's now in the bag won't come out of the bag. Right, now we're just going to add our final thing, which is the tin foil circle. So that is our sort of reflective part, and we'll need some glue for that. So we're just going to put our glue around the circle like that. I'd rub to just be able to make sure it's all over, like so, and then we just stick that on, and there is our first Ziploc bag sensory activity. One more, and for this one is so simple. We are literally just going to open up our bag and just pour a blob of a few different colours of paint. Okay, so that's what we've got. We've just got a few blobs in there. We're going to try and take some of that air out, zip it up, and then to make sure that it's not going to open, we are just going to put some sellotape over the top as well. Oops. And now you have a mess-free painting palette as well. Now kids absolutely love this one. So if you've got little children, this is so fun, and there is absolutely no mess, and we're using paint. It's brilliant. So guys, there's our sensory play using Ziploc bags. Give these a go, and again, it's so easy to get these if you haven't got them in your house, but most people do, and you will use whatever you've got at home. So whatever you can find, you can use. And again, I've only made little ones because I just had little ones, but if you've got big Ziploc bags, then actually it'd be quite cool to use the big ones to make the flower. But give it a go. Parents, if you'd like to share what your children have been doing, we'd love to see them. We're really enjoying seeing all the things that they've got up to at home, and we will see you next week. Bye! Okay, so guys, I just want to show you this as an addition. I've now stuck mine on the window, and anyone who's getting in on the whole rainbow on window, how cool is this? And it catches the light really, really nicely. So this is a good thing to do with your Ziploc painting, is actually then after you can just hang it on your window and it makes this beautiful rainbow effect. Quite alternative, but obviously every single one will be different. But yeah, give it a go.